So kind of finished with the Speedo for now. Just tidied up the wiring a bit, kind of hid it in here, and put the dummy lights in between this bracket here, this cover, and the triple tree. And yeah, so yeah, I probably should get I'll probably get a different bracket without these things here. I was thinking I was going to be able to get another wiring harness for the other kind of lights for the normal XL Sportsters, but it's quite dear, so I decided just to put them there. And I might get a Speedo, a bracket that bolts in here, just on the gas tank bolt. But yeah, that'll do for now, I guess.